Yo, what's up, guys? So, if you're interested in radiology, this is where the Fluoro room. This is a little quick Fluoro room breakdown or whatever. That way you can see. It's a machine. So this is what we're doing. We'll flip it so you can kind of see. So this right here is the Fluoro room table. This we do a lot of exams like barium enemas, all the fun stuff, esophagograms. So whenever the patient's laying down or standing up, because the table actually goes up too for esophagograms to like video swallow studies. The radiologist can see what's going on through that monitor here. This is the radiation. This is also an X-ray room, so you can do X-rays if you need to. This is kind of an example of what they drink for the exams. So just a quick little rundown of what a Fluoro room looks like. This is a control area. You go back there and you don't want to get radiated. Sometimes you don't have a choice. So these things right here are lead. So that's lead that you actually put on to protect yourself from radiation. But yeah, this is just a quick breakdown of what a Fluoro room looks like. I know it's not much, but stay tuned. There's more videos to come. Like I said, if you're interested in the radiology field or not, So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Till next time.